Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Kaveri Seed Company. The stock is good fundamentals and as technically strong right now. So let's analyze the stock. And the EPS of the stock is increasing year on year basis and the profits are also increasing. So it's a good stock to go long. And the stock is also good for long term also. And currently I have found a swing trade opportunity in the stock. So let's discuss the swing trade in this video. So this is a monthly chart of Kaveri Seed Company. The stock moved from the price range of 22,000, which is almost a 3000% return within a matter of 5 years, and somehow the stock distributed here and started falling, and after the fall the stock managed to move higher, and it was a just a dead cat bounce, but this time the fall is not so much. The fall was bottomed near the previous support level itself, and this stock is actually a good technical follower. Look at the price action. So the stock was trading around 330 on Jan 2016 and started moving higher and was in the same range. It was a channel. It formed a flag pattern here. So look at the flag pattern. So this can be taken as the flag pattern's target, and now it gave a breakout from a long term range, and if the breakout sustains, this will give a fantastic rally once again, and the stock is very good and the current valuation is quite cheaper. The stock is actually getting expensive, so it's really good stock to go long. Let me draw the major supply zone for the stock. So this was a supply zone since 2017, but now it becomes a demand zone. So the stock is currently very good to go long. Now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So the stock is currently bullish because look at the retest on weekly chart. The retest was done with good bullishness, so one can go long above the price range of 800, and the stock is very good, so one can hold for long term also. So let me clear all this. So is the major support zone for the stock, and the stock is reacting very well to the support zone, so it's really a good buying opportunity, and the stock should cross the price range of 800. So 800 can be taken as the entry in the stock. Now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the price target and entries. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. And now let's move to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart. So in the daily chart, the stock is quite weak actually. The weakness is due to the recent broader market movement. So the stock will perform once the broader market started performing. And look at the last traded candle. So this shows clear bearishness. So one should wait for the stock to give opportunity to move higher. One can take entry above the price range of 780 to 800. So 780 to 800 price range can be taken as the entry for the stock. And let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to analyze the price target. So let me take this as a swing low and this as a swing high and this as a retracement. So Fibonacci suggests a entry above the 830 price range only. So for safe trades, take entry above the price range of 830 only, and taking trade above 800 is also fine, but for safe trading take entry above the price range of 830 only, and the next target to be considered is around 987 price range. So 987 is easily achievable because the stock is very bullish. Look at the candle here. The candle is very huge on the breakout. So it's really good to go long in the stock and take entry above 830, and target is around 980 levels. So it's almost a 18% upside from the price of entry, and one can take 1170 price range as a second target. So it's really good to go long in the stock if the stock places above the price range of 800. So 800 can be taken as the entry in the stock, and 987 can be taken as the first target for the stock. So if you like the video, hit like button, and finally thank you for watching our videos.